The Calibrite ColorChecker Passport video helps you unlock the power of waveforms for exposure, vectorscopes for color, while also including a white balance card and classic color checker in a protective plastic case. If you're shooting with multiple cameras and lenses or mixed lighting conditions, this will help you get the best color and exposure match possible. Each of the patches are formulated solid pigment tones with no tint or halftone dots, manufactured under the tightest quality controls. Starting with the video panels, we have 3 large chips to create clear lines on your waveform monitor: white, 18% gray, and glossy black. The light 18% gray is designed to align with 40 IRE on your waveform monitor, or your camera manufacturer's recommended 18% gray IRE value when shooting in log. All 3 help you assess your camera's highlight and shadow range either when shooting log or using your different LUTs. Next, these colors on this panel are formulated to match the primary colors used in video and film production. They can be used with the vectorscope to adjust the color, and for an accurate color balance, use the hue and saturation controls within the color editing software to line up the color with the correct vector and location on the vectorscope. Next, you have skin tone patches ranging from light to dark with different undertone variations, and they align here on the vectorscope. The additional column of spectrally neutral gray squares is designed to give a grayscale ramp through the middle section of the tonal scale. Using these gray balance patches on your ColorChecker Passport video allows you to see a scale of levels from 20% to 90%. Next to those are black and white patches to also aid in evaluating exposure. On the other side, there is a custom white balance chart, making it easy to white balance in camera. Under that, there's a mini classic color checker. This row features a tonal grayscale including 18% gray patch, used as a midtone reference for exposure and color balance. The patches to its left and right differ by 1 stop in reflectance, helping photographers evaluate exposure quickly and accurately. Next, we have primary RGB colors and secondary colors, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Then we have natural tones: orange, purplish blue, moderate red, purple, yellow-green, orange-yellow, blue flower, and bluish-green. And finally, these 4 patches represent dark and light skin tone, sky blue, and foliage green, giving photographers, filmmakers, and creators familiar reference points for human subjects in natural environments. Beyond visual reference, the ColorChecker Classic supports automated workflows. Generate primary color corrections in DaVinci Resolve, create custom D&G profiles in Adobe Lightroom, build ICC profiles for Capture One and Calibrite Profiler. Finally, the ColorChecker Passport Video 2 has an included lanyard, and you can customize with your name or date of purchase, as it is recommended to get a new one annually for best accuracy. The ColorChecker Passport Video 2 can also be found in the kit listed below. Whether you're dialing in your exposure or evaluating the color shifts in different camera setups, the video checker helps you get a reliable, color-accurate baseline before your final color grade. Explore the links below for step-by-step workflow videos and more detailed videos about each individual surface in the ColorChecker Passport Video 2.